Hello guys, iHDFRUITZz, and today I'm going to be doing a sound effector tutorial in Cinema 4D.
Right.
It's going to be this one. It's going to look like this. Just doesn't sound like. They're going to be like in a circular motion. So yeah, just minimise that. I'm just going to Cinema 4D. As you know, I have two Cinema 4Ds now because I got R12 the other day. I paid for it because I wanted to, and yeah, just gonna go in my render settings, just load up a preset. Yeah, just named the file. Now I'm gonna go to the light tab, the 4 arrows. I'm gonna click that and go to floor on the create floor. Now I'm gonna get a cube by just clicking that tab, and I'm gonna scale it down. Wait, not that way. I'm gonna scale it down this way and from here. Yeah, that looks okay. Right, I'm just going to do 50, 50. Oh shit, wrong one. 50. Oh my god, 50. Oh, fuck that. Yes, that's basically it. 50 on each one. Just going to move it up a bit. Now, I'm going to click cube, then go to MoGraph and cloner. And when you click that, open cloner, and then go to object down here, then where it says mode, change it from linear to radial, and then from plane, do it from XY to XZ. And now you want, wait, have I done that right? Oh wait, sorry about that. You need to drag the cube under the cloner. Yeah, that's it. Sorry about that. I forgot that. And then click on the cloner, and then raise the count up a bit and the radius. Doing about 30, 27. That looks okay. Bring it outwards a bit. Yeah, that looks fine. And now we can add the sound. So go to, just click cloner and go to MoGraph, Effector and sound. And when you click on sound, then where it says sound file, you want to click here and find where you've saved your music. I would suggest about 30 seconds to a minute for a sound effector, and for it to have like quite big beats so you can see the cubes moving. Plus it needs to be in a WAV format. That's all Cinema 4D supports for some reason. And find your music, but if it's an MP3 you could just drag it in Audacity or something and convert it to a WAV file. Now I'm just going to get I'm just going to use a sound I used for my other one. Okay, open that. Now when you've done that, you can play it and it will move. And for the sound to play while you're like just watching it, you click this bit and it's going to play, as you can see. And for it to look a bit better, click on sound, then I think it's, wait, where is it? There, where it says click on sound, go to Effector, and then where it says apply mode, instead of all, click step. So I reckon that looks a bit better if you want to do that. Then because my music's 1 minute, I'm going to change my frames to 1800, which is 1 minute. this took 12. My other one took 12 hours to render. So yeah. Then all I did was add a light for the shadows and added some materials. I just quickly added a light. All I did was just drag it up. Then I went to shadow map soft. Then when you've done that, just create some materials. I'm gonna have my other blue, yes, a blue. And like that. Then go to reflection, the brightness to about 5%, texture for now, mix strength to 50. And when you've done, then drag. I'm just gonna do that and just copy this, holding control, then clicking away. And then for this one, I might do a red. Red, yes. And when you've done that, drag. If you want it on the cubes, the sound effect thing, drag the material onto cloner. And for the floor, just drag it onto the floor. So yes, this is what it would look like. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. Should have done it that colour. Oh well. Now, when you've done that, just hit render, then you're done. Okay, thank you for watching. And also, I'm going to be doing intros for £1 in Cinema 4D, and they contain optical flares in After Effects and whatever. And I'll be doing a background and logo as well for £2. So just PM me if you want that done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye bye.